Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. Right now, I'm on the M1 Finance website, and it says here you can borrow up to $5,000 with zero interest until June 30th and only 2% after June 30th when you sign up with their M1 Plus program. So just let you know, there is other brokerage companies out there, just like Robinhood and just like TD Ameritrade. But we know M1 Finance is doing loans up against your collateral being stocks of up to $5,000 with 0% and ending in June, but only going up to 2% after that. So that's just a little tip. If you're interested in M1 Finance, I'll have the link below. Okay, so here we are. I'm gonna go over the top stocks this morning, and I'm in my Robinhood account. And as you can see, in just one day, you can just look at the curve. We're not even at 9:30 yet, so it's about 8:30, 8:54, and stocks are up. So this is reminiscent of 2020. So it was 2020 was a magical year. I'd wake up and I'd always be up like 5% early in the pre-market and more than that in the regular market. So let's check this out. Amazon is up 0.26. Google is up 0.48. CrowdStrike is up 0.13, and Snap. I did a video on Snap late yesterday, and they're up. I mean, it's just great. CMG or Chipotle is up 0.57. Shop, where Shopify is up 0.3. Uber is up 3.77. I also, earlier in the week, I talked about Uber. So that's just something to look at with the economy open backing up. More people are moving. Some people are starting to take Uber again. If you heard on the news, American Airlines had to cancel flights because they didn't have enough pilots and staff. So the American economy is booming right now. People are traveling, people are buying houses, people are buying cars. The used market, people are paying a 10-20% premium on a car. So that car normally costs you $15,000. They're paying $18,000 for that car. And then you could do that same number on up. If that car costs you $20,000, sometimes you're paying $24,000 right now. And rental cars. Normally, I could fly into Atlanta and get a rental car for $60, $80 per day. Well, that number is double right now. So just be aware of the current economy and which stocks or companies participate in travel economy. Okay, next ticker symbol up today, Coin or Coinbase is up 2.94%. Ticker symbol UPST or Upstart Lending is up 6.98%. And ticker symbol SQ or Square is up 2.56%. All right, so here we are, my other account. Penn is up 4% this morning. This is the sports betting stock. Again, with the economy reopening, there is possibility more people are going to sports events, and more people are traveling to Vegas, and more people are gambling, just point blank. And they can do it live. They don't have to be in their home. So it's just so much more people can do. Next ticker symbol UAVS or Aerial Systems is up 4%. I've been talking about this one for a lot lately. Ticker symbol GBTC or the Bitcoin Trust is up 2.91%. Ticker symbol CLOV or Clover Health Systems is up 2.89%. Ticker symbol TSLA or Tesla is up 2.5%. Ticker symbol MGM. We all know about MGM Resorts. They're one of the growing resorts around the United States. they're up 2.3% on the day. So there's just quite a bit that's up in pre-market right now. And like I said, I think today's going to be another hot one. They were saying that Powell, the Fed chairman, is going to keep the rates, the interest rates reasonable. So that's going to keep the economy growing and keeping these super growth stocks growing, because if they don't have to pay a higher interest rate on their loans, then that means they can grow the company. So it's just something to think about. This is starting to look really good this year. 2021 is starting to come back. It's pretty exciting. So I'm going to look for some stocks today or a week. I'd just like to take a quick look. Okay, we got the total gain. AMC is still my top stock. They're down just a little bit, not even a 1/10%. Okay, so they're just trading really between $55 and $60. We don't know what's going to happen. If the short squeeze happens, this thing could go to $70 or $80 per share. So we're just holding. Yeah. Basically, nothing's trading this morning. You got stuff. Wendy's. So not enough volume there. So nothing's trading this morning. Okay, GSAT is down. That was the one, I think on Monday or Tuesday was up 23%, but this is so risky. I've been in this for a little while. I mean, it's been, I just tell you, penny stocks are a little bit of risk. I mean, even though they could be very valuable, and one day they could get a big contract with someone major. Let's just take a look. I don't really, like I said, look at GSAT. See over the last year, because they've been up around that price before. So back in February, they were $2.57. So everybody that bought in here at 38 cents, they won. They made their money, and they got out. They might have took most of their principal out. So let's just say you invested, $2,000. You would have made your money. If you had invested here at 84 cents, you would have made your money, and you could have pulled your 2,000 out, and you'd still be riding along. But I don't invest in usually a lot of stocks that are under $2. Well, under $5 or $6, unless it's something special like Ford. Ford's been around for a long time, and this past summer I was able to pick up Ford shares for $4.50 and $5. But I would not expect much out coming at this. Now, if this company gets to be $5 or $10 or $20 or $15, yeah, start buying more. But I wouldn't take a huge position in GSAT. As you can see, it's high of $2.57. It's just too much. There's not enough margin between the 52-week high and the previous close, and there's just nothing. I mean, you could literally come in one day and this thing will be 0 cents. And I've seen that. I've got a few shares like that. So be very careful with these penny stocks. What else we got going? Okay, so it wasn't much. I mean, again, you could take some risk and buy some more AMC. I still like Nucor under $100. Is trading at $96 per share. Same with Palantir. Palantir is a good stock. Let's see. We'll go to CNN Money and see what the Palantir. to the forecast is on Palantir. All right, see, so there's some opportunity. The high is $30 by some analysts. The high is $30 per share for Palantir. 7 analysts offering over a 12-month price forecast for Palantir Technology. Yeah, and this is a data analytics company, so they grab data and they record data real time for the government, for Air Force and some other government entities. So I would definitely, say Palantir still buy. I mean, sure, you want to get it at the maximum bottom at like $20. I got it when it opened at $9, so I'm still winning. But I think Palantir is still a good buy at $25, $26 per share. So anyway, this just was my quick review of the morning top stocks for June 24th, 2021. And I want to thank you for watching. Thanks for listening. And we'll have the links below for M1 Finance, Robinhood, and Webull. Thank you.